BodyBreak with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
BodyBreak, oh yeah. BodyBreak.
It's never too late to encourage your child to get active. In fact, you're the best role model they have to teach them to exercise, eat healthy, and have a positive attitude in life.
Unfortunately, too many children are overweight and are at risk for developing heart disease and/or type 2 diabetes. Regardless of the reasons or excuses for this, there are simple steps you and your whole family can take to make a difference. Find fun fitness activities that you can do together, such as swimming, canoeing, cycling, nature hikes, or walking with a family dog. Design a plan where everyone gets to do their favorite activity, write it down, and have everyone make a commitment to be more active this summer. Also, stock the house with healthy foods. Limit the sugary and high-fat foods and drinks. Then focus on foods from the 4 food groups. And drink lots of water, as it's the #1 thirst quencher. Also, have your child find healthy recipes on the internet to try. If you'd like more information about getting active and eating healthier, visit our website at bodybreak.com.
Staying active with your child can help keep you motivated. Well, until next time, keep fit and have fun.
BodyBreak.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.